There is something that I said a while ago, and I've repeated it time and time again because it really does hold true. When people are searching on the internet, when they're doing their research, especially when it comes to SHIB, eventually clicks turn into buys. Research turns into buys. That's how retail works. And something has been extremely high for SHIB for a very long period of time. We've talked about the social dominance metric, which it's done extremely well in, but we've talked about the global dominance metric in terms of internet search, internet activity, what people were actually looking at during the bear market cycle. And Shiba Inu remained extremely high in this regard. In fact, it was a top 4 searched coin in the entire world for most of the bear market cycle. So retail interest was there. Now, the interesting thing is now that what has coincided with this surge in price that we've seen is that the Shiba Inu popularity has risen to a 2-year high. We actually saw a surge of 250% in the last month. And we are now sitting at a point where this popularity has on search engines has spiked to levels unseen since December of 2021. Since the height of the bull market cycle, Shiba Inu has not seen this much popularity online. Now, the interesting thing about this, guys, that I think everybody needs to understand is although retail is coming back, it's not really back yet, which means that a lot of these searches, a lot of these clicks, they haven't transitioned into buys yet. We've seen some surge in Shiba Inu holders, but not the type of surge that you see during alt season, that you see during the last year of the bull market cycle, which means that there are a lot of people on the sidelines that are sitting there right now, and they're looking at Shiba Inu, but they haven't bought yet. Hopefully you guys are piecing together what I'm saying. Shiba Inu interest is at an all-time high, but the price isn't at an all-time high yet. This is where things start to compound. This is where you can see these big increases in price as we move through the rest of the bull market cycle. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. There's no guarantee that these people buy, right? But this metric has been a very good indicator for this, again, surge that we went on. It's been a very good indicator in the past of what people are paying attention to. And the biggest thing that you can have in crypto is optics, all right? If people aren't looking at your coin, if people aren't paying attention to what's going on, they're not going to buy it. It's the reason why many low caps stay low caps. It's the reason why many big coins continue to be big coins. It's because people are actively searching it out, all right? Now, they're trying to think of the best way to say this. There's no guarantee about what's happening. There's no guarantee that we get help from like the SHIB ecosystem, the community-driven projects that are being built there or anything like that. But I don't want to say that you don't need that because that's stuff that could help, right? That's how you stimulate the community. That's how you stimulate growth and adoption, things like that. But adoption comes naturally for something like SHIB. Okay, SHIB, I think it's going to surprise a lot of people. I think it's going to exceed a lot of people's expectations. And it has to do with the masses. It has to do with retail. It has to do with optics. And all these things that have been good for SHIB for a very long period of time right now are getting better. All right. So that's just what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.